Have you ever been stuck without internet, craving your favorite songs, and you couldn't listen to it? It's frustrating, right? But don't worry, I got the solution. By the end of this video, you're going to be able to download your favorite Spotify songs to your phone or computer and enjoy them anytime. So here are 5 quick ways to download Spotify songs. The first one is Spotify Premium subscription. So you unlock the ability to download songs on your phone or computer by upgrading to Spotify Premium. The second way is on offline mode. So use offline mode on your mobile app to save songs while connected to Wi-Fi. Third way is Spotify playlist downloads. So basically create a playlist and download all of your favorite songs at once. The fourth is you use the Spotify app on desktop. So download directly to your computer with the Spotify desktop app. And the fifth is offline music apps. So you explore third-party apps that help you download music from Spotify with ease. So now that you know how, go try ahead, go figure it out. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button. See you soon. Love ya. Ciao.